In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your TradingView alert and link it to an automation platform. This will enable you to streamline your trading processes and improve efficiency. Let's dive right into it. First, you're going to want to open your chart on TradingView. Once you have your chart ready and are looking at the data you need, you'll notice a bell icon, symbolized by the familiar notification bell. This icon is the gateway to setting up alerts and keeping tabs on the crucial movements of the market. Now, click on that bell icon. This action will open up the alert creation window. Here, you will define the alert condition that fits your trading strategy. It could be a specific price level that you're watching, or maybe an indicator crossing. This setup is customizable to your particular needs, allowing you to stay informed about the market conditions that matter the most to you. Once you have your alert conditions set, it's time to choose how you want to be notified. In the alert creation window, look for the notification method called webhook URL. Select this as your notification option. You'll use a webhook URL provided by an automation platform to make your alerts actionable and efficient. To acquire a webhook URL, you need to utilize a no-code automation platform. These platforms help you connect TradingView alerts to carrying out broker orders or performing other actions. Some of the popular platforms you might consider are Zapier, known for its robust webhook support, or IFTTT, which stands for If This Then That. There are also dedicated trading automation services available like AutoView, 3 or Alertatron. The beauty of these platforms is that they can take alerts from TradingView and, based on your configuration, trigger actions such as placing trades or sending out timely notifications. Choose a platform that aligns with your needs and begin by signing up for it. Once you have access, start creating a workflow, or something commonly referred to in Zapier as a zap. This workflow will be set up specifically to listen for alerts from TradingView via the webhook link. When you set up this listening workflow, it will generate a webhook URL for you. Copy this webhook URL because you will need to go back to TradingView and paste it into the webhook URL field provided in the alert settings. This step is critical as it connects TradingView alerts to the automation framework you've set up. Now, you should configure the actions on your automation platform. This is where you can decide what exactly should happen when an alert is received, whether it's automatically placing a trade through a broker API, sending you an SMS, or even updating a spreadsheet. Many of these platforms offer user-friendly visual builders to help you configure these actions without needing any coding knowledge. Lastly, it's essential